um, regarding false arrest to get them expunged.
Okay, one moment, ma'am.
Okay, that is correct.
I'm right.
No, I called and spoke with. I pressed 3 and spoke with someone.
No, we have an attorney here that's Holly Griffin, and she doesn't work here with us.
Okay, is that in Dallas?
Let me look.
Okay,
One moment. To the voicemail for
voicemail.
Holly Griffin. Not available to take your message. When you request access,
I'm calling back.
you have reached the Fort
Notice
Worth
how the
office.
blind
Para
transfers
español, por
to
favor,
go straight to
presione uno.
voicemail. They don't
Please
tell
be
you they're
advised our
transferring
staff
you.
have returned
It's
to
a
the
pattern.
office. However, our
Yes, I just called. For some reason, for such a long period of time, people are rude and they just transfer you blindly and don't tell you anything. I had
we're
some
not supposed to
questions.
tell you anything. I just told you I was going to transfer you to Miss Griffin.
I didn't hear you say that you were going to transfer me, ma'am. But I would
Well,
like
I
to get
did.
out. Well, can
What
I?
I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer you back to her
No, I don't.
because
I'm the one.
you're
I
not
have
in our
questions.
system.
I have questions. I don't want you to
Well, she
transfer
would
me
be
to the
the only one
voicemail.
to answer that question for you
I don't
because
know why people
we don't.
are always like this on my calls, ma'am. It's a pattern.
No, Miss Clark, we're not.
Okay, I just don't understand why you start an argument with me and I have questions before you
I'm not
transfer me.
arguing with you. I'm just letting you know it's from Dallas County District Attorney.
What's from
So
Dallas County? Ma'am,
let
before
me
I don't
connect
want
you
you
to
to
Dallas.
transfer me to the voicemail. I have questions that you can answer.
Questions?
Yes.
Maybe. I'm an operator here, ma'am. I don't know what I can answer for you.
Well, can you not be rude and let me ask the questions? I've had to
Okay,
endure
I
this
won't be
years,
rude.
ma'am.
Go ahead and answer the question.
Okay, so you said that the person is for the district attorney.
No, it's something against the district attorney for you.
Okay, so the attorney's helping me with something against the district attorney.
I don't know, ma'am. You'd have to ask them.
Okay, is it normal for them not to call and touch bases with the person they're representing?
Just a minute. Let me look. It was transferred to Dallas. Let me see. I'm going to write a note to my supervisor and let her call you because I don't know anything about this. She would be the only one that'd be able to help you with that.
Well, you've told me in the past that you saw a case where I was being represented, and for the false arrest.
And the attorney's name is Griffin. Last name is Griffin, Holly Griffin.
But you are not aware if the attorney needs to touch bases with the person they're representing and call them. You're not aware if that makes sense. Because I just had so much
It would,
sabotage
but I
services,
don't have
ma'am.
that
I'm
information,
that you're
ma'am.
being
That's why
really
I'm telling
rude.
you that's why I'm telling you that I am going to tell my supervisor to call you. Give me your phone number again. Your number. She needs for you to call her, please. She's not aware of what's going on with her case.
I don't know. What are you saying, ma'am? Who am I calling?
You're calling legal aid, but the attorney that you should be talking to is Holly Griffin.
Okay, you just said that she said she's not aware of what's going on with my case. Is that your
Yeah, because you
supervisor
need
or the
information
attorney?
on that.
Okay.
No,
So
the
you just said,
supervisor.
okay, you just
I
told,
just told you I was going to send a note to the supervisor.
right, and have her call. And now she
Yes.
wants me to call her?
No, I'm telling her what's going on in your case. That you need information on your case because you're not aware because no one has contacted you.
Right. And then people have been interrupting me getting help for protection orders and the situation with my daughter. And I'm trying to build up a track record that this is procedural and that someone's doing it on purpose. Interrupting any ability I wanted. I'm trying,
tell her
ma'am,
all
you're
that
still
so
being
she can
rude
know what's
again.
going on.
Yeah, so I'm trying to establish a pattern that someone has sabotaged my rights as a parent out of malice, and the government's protecting that individual so he gets his money's worth and enforcing the crime that was purposely committed to keep me away from my child. And then I believe that party's monitoring my phone
So
because
he's
each
the father
time
of the
I
child.
try to get help, I'm treated the way that you treat me, and then I don't get anything resolved. They normally retract on services,
The thing
or
is
something
that you're
happens
not
in the.
letting nobody speak. You just want to talk yourself, and you want me to tell you
Ma'am,
what
if I just
you're
told
trying to
you
help
my
you.
experience, I don't know why so many parties would be rude and narcissistic. I just
Okay,
told you that
Kenya,
someone has
go ahead.
bribed
I'm going to go
me
ahead
to
and
keep me
send this
away from my
information to
child.
my supervisor. She will call you back. And if they're keeping you away from yourself, this is a nonprofit organization, ma'am. This is not a government program.
Well, if someone is deliberately monitoring my calls, which is a felony crime, and keeping me away from my daughter,
No, it's not.
that's a felony
Not,
charge in the
it's
sense
the
with child
person that's
custody.
keeping you away from the daughter that's doing this to you, not us.
Well, like if someone's denying me services out of corruption and conspiracy to violate rights,
Well,
I
it's
thought
not
was a
that. It's
felony.
just that not everybody can be accepted.
Okay, ma'am. I'm just trying to build up a
So
track
have a
record
good
of
day.
my experiences and how people treat me when I call them on my phone.
Well,
Thank
that's
you,
the thing
ma'am.
is that not all the time can they help you. Have a good day.
You too.